Oh, hi everybody. It's Larry from MarineMax in Jacksonville. Today we're going to talk about this 2025 Grady-White 285 Freedom. And we're going to start here in the head compartment of all places. I'm going to show you how roomy this compartment is and some of the neat features. This has a full marine head with overboard discharge and dockside pump out. Also have a freshwater sink here with a pull-out shower as well. Something you don't really find on a lot of 28-foot dual consoles. But check out how big this door is and how easy it is for me to get out of this head compartment. I'm a pretty big guy, and that is absolutely no problem for me. One of the things I love about Grady's head compartment also is the built-in medicine chest. How cool is that? Now let's take a look at the helm area over here, where we've got room for up to a 16-inch screen. We've got tilt steering here. Get you very comfortable any position you need to be in. We've got Helm Master, which is the Yamaha joystick system, complete with stay point, drift point, and fish point. Some really neat features if you're into fishing. Also very convenient at the dock. This is one of the most nimble boats out there to maneuver when you're getting in and out of a boat slip. The other thing I want to show you is that this helm seat here is fully adjustable. It's power, and you can move it forward and back. It also has a flip-up bolster. As you can see, there's plenty of room in here to be real comfortable at the helm. You've got great line of sight underneath the windshield. That also gives you some really, really good weather protection. Stereo controls right here at your fingertips. And with the Yamaha full maneuverability package, you've got the built-in autopilot with your control panel right here. That will work with any brand of electronics as well. Now let's take a look at the cockpit area and some of the neat features on this boat, like the lounge seat that slides out electronically. As you can see, this is going to give you a great place to lounge out as you're cruising, just relaxing, getting some sun, and it butts right up against the rear bench seat right there, almost giving you like an L-shaped seating kind of arrangement. As we retract that, we're going to take a look over here to the entertainment area. We've got a freshwater sink, nice and convenient, and we've got a refrigerator as well. Keep your food cold, keep drinks cold. Nice feature on a 28-foot boat. This tucks away. You've got an additional platform there to prepare food, drinks, etc. Now we're going to take a look at the other features in the cockpit, starting with this side door. This gives you easy access at the dock. It's held in place magnetically, so it won't just keep flopping around on you, which is great. And then we're going to start here at the live well, which is going to give us some really good fishing features. We've got a nice round live well for bait. This is also fully insulated and can double as an additional cooler, so you don't have to bring additional coolers on board. Right back here in the transom, we've got another signature Grady feature, which is our fish box slash cooler slash dry storage. And just like everything on a Grady-White, it all drains overboard. Nothing drains into the bilge. So you just hose out your fish box at the end of the day. You don't have to worry about pumping water out from below the deck. This boat is equipped with shore power. Keep your batteries charged up at the dock. You've got a really nice convenient rear bench seat, which just easily retracts, gives you plenty of room back here in the cockpit. If you decide to go fishing, you can see the rod holders in the side of the hardtop legs, additional rod holders in the gunnels on both sides as well. So this is packed with a lot of creature comforts, and it's got a lot of cruising comforts as well. We've got two Yamaha 350s on the back of this boat with integrated digital electric steering, excellent maneuverability, extremely low maintenance, and a pleasure to drive. You'll also find a nice freshwater pull-out shower here at the transom for when you're at the sandbar getting back on the boat. Nice way to cool off. So you've got fresh water here, the sink above the refrigerator, and also down in the head compartment. One nice feature also is the shore shade top that comes out, extends out over the transom, and now Grady has integrated a ski tow bar. Great for wakeboarding, pulling a skier, additional water sports, something that's really unique, and obviously you can see how well built it is into the hardtop. Great feature if you're into water sports. One last trip to the bow of the boat, and we're going to take a look at the comfortable seating up here. With Grady-White, you've got nice plush cushions, quilted armrests, very comfortable, plenty of room to stretch out. We've got a great windlass here with controls at the bow, also at the helm. Makes anchoring, getting to the sandbar nice and convenient. Everything on a Grady-White is built for a wonderful world-class ownership experience. Everything is at your fingertips, and it's going to be one of the best purchases you're ever going to make. Thanks again. My name is Larry. You can reach me at 904-545-5310. We'll get you out on a sea trial on this boat.